On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to continue working on the X5. In the last episode we fixed a surprise problem like the radiator, but in this episode we have to replace the wheels, which are behind me. Maybe you can see in there we have one, in there another one, and we have to replace the tie rods, and we have to align the steering wheel because I'm driving the car with a bad steering wheel. We are going to start by replacing the back wheels. We are going to replace the front wheels after that because we have to replace the tie rods, and I'm going to check the screws on the steering rack. I'm not really sure if it's tight enough because I have a big movement on the steering wheel. Not really sure for now why. Maybe the steering rack is bad. I'm pretty sure it's bad because everything on this car is bad. But now runs and drives normally, doesn't leak anything except for some oil leaks. And yeah, let's start doing something. Just replace the wheels on this side. I have to replace the wheels on the other side, but these wheels are straight and these ones are concave. It's a little bit of difference, but these ones are the same wheels in the back and in the front. I can do the alignment and the car will drive better. After we have the alignment done, maybe we can put these ones back, but I have to buy summer tires on the back because I have just in the front and are in really good shape. But that will be for the next step on this on fixing this car. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Do you like it or not? Not really sure, but looks original, looks factory, and I really like the color, the silver one as for the black ones. And yeah, let's do it on the other side, and let's start checking the steering rack and the tie rods. We have now in the front the tie rods new. You can see the nut in there. I replaced everything till here. That clamp is not quite straight, but it's tight because I barely have room to put a plier in there to tighten this clamp, but everything is put together in here as well. We have the new wheels. Now we can go for alignment. I have to put this metal plate underneath back, and we can drive for alignment like I said. We have some oil leaks. It's bad, I think, but it is what it is. Let's put everything back and let's hit for alignment. I know I didn't film anything when I replaced that, but I'm on the time crunch now. I have to be there like right now. In here we have the old tire rods. I've replaced completely because I cannot turn in here. Everything seems to be clean and fine, but as you can see, I've already rounded everything on the other one as well. It's not turning, are stuck. I'm not really sure why, but it's not working. So everything is done now. We have the new wheels. It doesn't look that bad, but it doesn't matter because the car must drive straight and I have to use this car. And I'm back from the alignment shop, and check this out. Finally we have a straight steering wheel. I'm not really sure how can I show you now, but we have a straight steering wheel. Finally, the car drives straight. The next problem that we are going to fix is going to be the ABS problem. I have to order an ABS pump. I've checked everything. The electronic part is working. The pump is not working and not building enough pressure. So we have to replace the aluminum block that's on the electronic part. And that's going to be our next problem fixed on the list. Now with almost everything fixed, we can buy some gas, and I'm going to fill up the tank. I'm already at 120 euros. Oh my god, 70 liters. It's going to be like 150, that's for sure. We are going to put the dash to 0 to see how many kilometers we can do with a full tank of gas, but we already have 80 liters almost. It's kind of a lot, more than 80 liters. Holy crap. 142 euros. Now with a straight steering wheel, with everything done, full tank of gas, the car drives normally, except for the ABS, but that will come soon. In the meanwhile, we are going to try to take this crap wrap out. I've tried a little bit in here to see, but all the glue remains on the hood. I hope it's not going to be a pain.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
After literally 1 hour, I've done just a little bit in here, on that corner and on the other corner. Oh my god, check this out. You peel, it breaks like that much. Nothing. It's going to take me at least 4 or 5 hours, at least, if not more. Oh, maybe now we are lucky. This looks good, and I'm really happy that underneath looks perfect. Not really sure why somebody will do something horrible like this. It's really horrible, man. There's no carbon fiber, it's just a freaking wrap. Looks like crap. A wrap that looks like crap. It rhymes. So we had a good run till here. Yep. Whew, holy smokes. In here looks perfect. Here is just dirt or glue, but everything looks perfect underneath. I'm really happy. Normal wear and tear like this from the grill, but everything seems to be just fine underneath. We're going to wash a little bit, clean everything, degrease, wash, buff. But give me a few hours to take this crap out, and I'm gonna show you the end result. Yep. So I'll see you in a few hours. And that was the last piece. We can push this back. I've done the same on the other side, and ta-da! I'm not really sure if you can notice or if the camera will pick the difference from the clear coat. Here is like more like yellow a little bit, and here, because it was outside in the sun, it's more like faded. But now I'm going to clean all the excess glue, but to be honest, I have no glue whatsoever except for here. Maybe you can see in here as well. In here a little bit, the same on this side, and other than that, no glue whatsoever. Let's clean in there, put the logo, the grills. I've wiped all the glue from there, in fact from everywhere. Maybe I have a little bit somewhere, but I tried to clean this line. Everything is set and done. I think it's way better than before, that's for sure. Sadly, I had to install the old wheels back because the new one are out of whack, so I have to balance the wheels. With all of that being said and done, we are at the end of the video. The car looks way better than before, that's for sure. Drives normal, we have a straight steering wheel. We still have the ABS light to fix and the brake lines in the back, but that will be for the next episode. If you want to see more progress on this one, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.